Hi guys, welcome back to another video. And wow, look at that Christmas tree.
No, seriously?
Really? What the? Oh, Christmas tree. Oh. He was in pajamas all day. Forever.
Put it at this.
Get away from me.
How can you put that where I don't know.
I think it was possible. Cool. Actually, Nina and I were together then when you
So loaded.
Tell watch this. Watch how wide my feet can go out.
And
Tell skis.
I'm back in the
Staring at the roof.
Hey guys. If you like French bulldogs, I've got one. Look, I got one.
Tell you what,
Whatever.
down to Peter for the homepage. Don't put my name on it. I just want to get some real journalism.
What's you doing?
Put him down. Will you stop it ever?
Hi guys, this is my brother. This is me.
Get away. I'm angry. Get away from me. I'll load this thing in a minute. And I'll take the front bit of it off.
Don't tell her.
Oh my god.
Tyler, I'm just going to walk like this.
Yeah. And watch it. And hold this.
Do you know, Tyler, do you know a dog that can hold things? But I can't stand up and anything.
Just get away over.
Tyler, I just started to jump up at you. Tyler, just started jumping up at you.
Get off me.
I jumped up onto the
Get off me. Watch, you don't like pillars. Wait, okay. Can I get him?
Slap me in the chops.
I'm going to slap him on the chops. I'm going to slap him on the chops.
This is the French bulldog. That is a little okay.
What? Smack him on the chops. Smack him on the chops. Smacking him on the chops. I'm gonna smack you on the chops. Hey, you little dinky!
Look, I said it.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Hold it. Tell you put the pillow back on.
I don't know what we're gonna do. Get him!
I'm gonna try and hold you.
Get this little ball! Get the ball! What are you doing the ball? You're mental.
Oh, you're mental.
He's only 8 months old. He bit me before.
What's that?
Silly man, he bit me.
I'm not gonna let you go now. I'm serious, I'm not gonna let you go.
It's not doing.
I think it's Operation B, where I'm gonna
Oh my god.
keep you alive.
Oh my god.
Sorry.
What did you just do, Ava?
Trying to get the pillow off him. You just hurt yourself. Smacking Tyler. whatever this. Right, let him get out here. So he can stay out here. Teddy!
Oi!
Right! Get out!
I'm gonna pause this a minute. There we go, he started. And he has this shot in it. Oh my god, he's doing it again.
My shoe. I've got chewing gum on my shoe, and I was just getting it off.
You were in stone shoes? Patricia, that was a little crazy. Show me all the ones down here.
Of course. I said, you're about to lose your head. I mean, bow your head. Those things.
Thanks, I guess.
Oh my god.
You can't.
No! Look at my flipping hand! I can't wait.
Anyway, there's somewhere else I need to take you. So, let's go.
Gonna love that dragon.
You're acting weird in the know that, right?
We should get in our land. Can't see my outlook. Upstairs. And this is, I got all my videos up here. It's a tip. That's not mine. And the PlayStation, the next one. And that's my bed. Boiler. Big egg battle. Sledge. Football table. And on this video here,